And in just 2 minutes, you swap out your low battery for a fully charged battery at the rate of 2,000 naira. But this is where it gets even more interesting. You don't always have to pay the full 2,000 naira because there's something called paying for the state of charge. What that means is, let's say you're riding with 30% battery life left. That means you need 70% to get back to 100, right? You're only going to pay for that 70% at the rate of 20 naira per percent. So 20 naira times 70% is 1,400 naira.